I'm gonna demonstrate my task 7.1 lost and found apps. So first of all, there's some the requirements, which is has the there's a button to create a new advert and then shows all the items the list, and then there will be the edit text of the details, and these of things there will be the like the once you clicked for the shows the items, they will shows of the list of the items, and then once you click the details, they will shows like how many days ago you post for the adverts. Yeah, so I have made the apps happen. So I'll show you. Oh, sorry, not this one. Show you the app. So here is the two buttons. Once I create the advert, and then you click for the lost and found of the radio the button. So maybe I choose the found button, and then I will click in my name. Sorry, the name probably is not the things. I think it should be Mac, lost Mac. It's not for the people's name, and there will be the phone number and descriptions like the lost laptop. And here's unclicked select the date. Maybe I can choose the maybe 3rd of May at a random date. But now I haven't implement for the like the Google application API. Maybe I just a key for the location. For example, maybe Burwood. And then once I click the save, there'll be a toast to see the save like successfully, and then I will show the list. You can see here is the adapter list. You can just you can see here is not the list view. And once you click for the like the item details, there shows for the details. And then once you click the remove, they will be removed and then back to the list and refreshed. And you can click here, you can see the details. Maybe there's a Bruce, and the location is Geelong. Yeah, also you can also you can see like the post like 5 days ago. Yeah, when we click back, yeah, so that's all the logics, the functions. So one, and I'm gonna explain for the code step by step. The first of things we need to have those like the layout. So this is for the main layout will be two buttons, and then there will be like the create advert the details, and then the item details and the item list, which is follows like the like a recycler view of the adapter. And then going to the like the for the class, I'm using the database. It's like database helper, and then which is they include all of they include all of the details that are saved in the SQLite, save all of the items details. Yeah, and then I have the items of the model, which is include get citer method. Yep. And going back to the main activity, which is has the unclicked functions. There's two buttons. There's like unclicked button, and then unclick listener. They will just intend to the activity class, which is create a advert activity and then shows the item list. And then if we go into the create activities, they will have all of they have the save buttons and a lot of the like the edit test view, and then you save them, and yeah, so and then they make a toast. After that, if you go to the item list activity, they were using the item adapter and item recycler view, which is the recycler view will be shows the list of the item, and using the atom adapters to bind the data and then pass the data and shows the view. And also they have to import for the database class to make the data to using the data, utilize the data. And that's it. You can see here using the item recycler view, and also have the adapters. Yeah, using the adapters to bind the data and the view holders. Once we go into the item adapters, they will just you can see here they create first thing they inflate for the item list row, which is in direct to here. They inflate for the view, and then they will just binding the data like here. So they binding the data to all of the list. Yeah, so I think that's the adapters, the functions. And then we go into the item list. Yeah, I will explain for the item list. Yeah, I think that's all the things. And oh, sorry, for one more thing is item details. Once you click for the item details, the very important thing is you have to shows the how many. Here is the logic, shows how many how many days how many days ago like that you just post for the item. So here's very important to set for the data format, and then which is a matching for the database, and then here's the logic. Yeah, I think that's all. Yeah, and just show you this again. So once you clicked for the list, it shows the locations and item name and how many days ago. And once you just remove it, they'll direct back and refresh for the recycler view. And when you come back, they'll create the same logic, same, and then shows the list. Yeah, I think that's all. Thank you.